Thanks for joining me once again. In this part, we're going to get the cylinder head off, inspect that, get the brakes apart, or the front brake at least, and rebuild it. Enjoy. So here is the power valve blank plate. There's some blanks in the actual power valve slots as well, but we'll be putting new power valves back in when we rebuild the top end. It threw me a little bit at this point because when I got the barrel off, I noticed it was very red inside. Someone had filled the bottom end up with two-stroke oil, which I hadn't seen before, but that will stop the bearings from getting ruined, I guess. So we're going to crack on with getting the front brake caliper off, split in half, cleaned and rebuilt with some new seals. So if you're wondering what I'm doing here, the pistons wouldn't come out, so as you can see the two bottom ones have moved, but the two big ones have not. So heating it up and then going to put some air on it, and that should help release it. So at this point, I'm going to give them a quick clean. Now I've got them split apart. Once that's done, I'm going to get some new seals put in. Got these from Wimoto, relatively cheap. I think it's about £20, something like that. Put a bit of rubber grease in, and then as you push the pistons in, you need to make sure that it goes in smoothly and doesn't catch. If you have to push hard, your seals are probably catching. There we go, that's the brake caliper rebuilt with new seals and cleaned up pistons, ready to go back on. Thanks for watching, subscribe and yeah, comment. Thanks.